Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. I've got another unboxing video for you, and this time it's a brand new subscription box to my channel, and it's called Eve's Parcel, and this is what it looks like. Gorgeous packaging, really lovely. So if you're new to Eve's Parcel and you don't know anything about it, I'll just give you a quick lowdown. But if you've seen it all before, or you know a little bit about it yourself, but you just want to see the contents inside this month's box, then I will add a timestamp down below so you're free to flick forward. So Eve's Parcel is a premium period box, and it costs £12.99 a month and £2.95 postage and packaging. As far as I'm aware, and from what I've read on their website, I think it's only available in the UK. But if I find out any different, I will link that down below. All information related to this box will be linked down below, and they've also got a code online for 10% off your first box, which is welcome 10. So I'll put that down as well. So click on the show more and that description and it'll all be down there. So on the website you get to choose a range of different boxes. So a month-to-month subscription box that contains up to 5 treats. It could be beauty, lifestyle, skincare. So you got 5 treats every month in the box, and you have your sanitary protection. So you can either just choose tampons or tampons and towels, or just towels on their own. You get to choose the date that you'd like your box sent out to you, and there's 3 different dates to choose from, and also you get to choose your brand as well. So as well as that monthly box, they do offer a 3-month subscription for £38, I believe it is. So exactly the same sort of concept. So you get to choose, it's personalised to you. Then they offer one-off boxes, which is the same cost, plus you can opt for just a pamper box, so no sanitary protection, just the beauty treats, which costs £10 a month. As I said, I'll write all that down below so you can take a look there for more information. So you can cancel any time, there's no commitment except for if you take out obviously the 3-month subscription, and it renews on the 21st of every month. So I think that's all the information, so let's open it up and see what it's like. I haven't even looked yet. It's still got a sellotape thing here. Okay, so it's like a what? Oh, smells! Smell is gorgeous. Alright, so you've got some leaflets here. What's this say? It says, welcome to Eve's Parcel. This month's parcel is inspired by the festive season. We wanted to remind you of the magical Christmas with the smell of freshly baked gingerbread, including some essential pampering products for a night in, a long bath snack, and warm drinks, as well as treats to get you party ready with some beauty essentials and a little treat to revive your skin after all the late nights and cold weather. And it just says here, Eve's Parcel is focused on female health and well-being. We want our parcels to pamper and indulge you. We want to help you focus on the importance of self-care and remind you need to take some time out to focus on you. This month's parcel includes an affirmation of the month to make you feel great on the inside, and a yoga move of the month to help you feel great on the outside. We hope you enjoy your December parcel and have a very Merry Christmas and a joy-filled New Year. Oh, okay, so it tells you on the back of that, it tells you everything about the products that are inside this box. It doesn't tell you the prices or whether they're full size or sample size, but hopefully you'll be able to see when we go through it. So this is the yoga pose, it's a cobra pose, and it tells you what to do on the back there. Then we've got the affirmation cards there, so I'll leave that down there. So let's open the box. Now I've opted for towels. So, oh, I love the packaging. Oh, I really love these. I love the little bags. Look, I'll show you first. Hope you can see. This is what I like. You can see the gingerbread. So no, it looks really nice, jam-packed in there. So I'll put this down to the side of me and I'll grab an item, show you and refer back to that leaflet. So these are my sanitary protection bags. There's 3 here. Let's open it up. Everything smells of gingerbread biscuits. Now I'm not that keen on ginger, but I love gingerbread biscuits. So let's see what they are. I got 7 pads here. And then in the next bag I've got 7 pads in there as well. And then the last bag, I've got nighttime pads by the looks of it, and some panty liners. So I've got 3 panty liners, 3 nighttime pads. I would have preferred to have a minimum of 5 really, because my period, it does last a full week unfortunately, and it's quite heavy. So I think I've got enough day pads there. There's 14 in all, which is fine, but I think these nice big pads, I think, yeah, maybe 5 would have been good. So those are all the pads which I got to choose on the website. So on to the first item. So I'm going to pick up the gingerbread. And what is, oh, this looks cool. Oh, there's 3 of them. Oh my word. Oh, this looks so cool. Hawkins Christmas gingerbread. And it's just gingerbread biscuits. Oh, I love that. That is really nice. I love the packaging and everything. Look, there's 3. There's 3 of them in there. This month's sweet treat is a full pack of traditional Grantham gingerbread with a spice blend of ginger and cloves that gently warms the taste buds and brings back magical memories of Christmas past. One of England's oldest gingerbread bakers, almost 300 years old, have created this amazing seasonal gingerbread with the finest ingredients. No, I really, really like that. I think that's really cool and definitely a Christmassy vibe there. No, really nice. So next thing, I've seen something, tea, green tea. So it's a healing and cleansing for problem skin green tea balm, 100% natural, and it just got all the ingredients there. So this is by Pure Purpose. So this looks like a full-size product. So there you go. No, I haven't got problem skin at the moment, but it's because I'm on medication. If I wasn't on medication, then my face will be full of acne. But I'll see what it's like. I'll test it out on my skin, and I might actually give it to my daughter to see what that's like. But oh no, it smells really nice. Could try a little bit by. It's just like a balm, just a cleansing balm. I love cleansing balms. Absolutely love them. Really, really nice. Smells really nice. A full-size cleansing and healing face balm made with green tea extracts, which will clean and purify skin, leave skin soft and hydrated, removes all traces of makeup. Pure Purpose products are inspired by nature and the power of plant healing. All products are ethical, honest and cruelty-free. A really, really nice product to add in a beauty box. Always love cleansers. Love trying new cleansers. So no, so I'll go with that and see what it's like, but it might be for my daughter as well, so we'll see. So next item is, what's this? Ascent Bath and Body. What is this? A winter collection. It's a ginger thing. Ginger, orange, vanilla and caramel. Ooh, scented bath ball and cinnamon powder. Oh wow. Okay, that's what that looks like there. So it's in a big box. Shall I open it up? Oh, it just smells like those cookies. It smells lovely. Oh, I don't want to wreck the box, but I'm going to have to. Oh my gosh, that just smells like gingerbread biscuits. Oh, that is so lovely. So lovely. I'm really funny when it comes to ginger. Really, really funny. But I do love gingerbread biscuits, and yeah, I do like the smell. It looks like little chocolate pieces. So this plastic bag is 100% biodegradable, which is great. It says, indulge in the scent of the season with this amazing bath bomb from Assen's Winter Collection, blended with cinnamon and ginger, reminiscent of warm, sweet gingerbread, naturally coloured with a touch of cinnamon and a cute little gingerbread man, infused with sweet almond oil to leave the skin soft and hydrated. No, another great product. Really, really like that, and definitely a Christmas vibe again. We've got Lancôme Paris Visionnaire Nuit Beauty Sleep Perfector. Okay, so this is an advanced multi-correcting gel in oil. Not much information about it, but that's what the outer packaging looks like. Hopefully there'll be some information on the leaflet. It's a little sample. So it's 3 mils. I think I've already said that, haven't I? So it's a 3 ml sample there. Beauty Sleep Perfector. Let skin feel refreshed and revitalised with a Lancôme Visionnaire Nuit Noir. Can't say it, sorry. Beauty Sleep Perfector with innovative ultra light texture. The components of this cream work to restore dry, damaged skin, whilst the anti-aging oxidants allow a lasting, radiant effect. The perfect pick-me-up for your skin this winter. No, that sounds wonderful. That sounds really, really lovely. So I'll try that. We got a pen. What is this? This is a felt tip eyeliner, Bourjois, and this is in black. It's called Liner Fiature. I'm just going to give up my my pronunciation. Hopefully you can see there. So it's just like here. There you go, nice nib. Let's try a bit on my hand. Oh, it's nice and dark. Nice. I love trying liquid eyeliners because I go through them a lot, and yeah, some are great, some aren't. I don't think I've ever tried one by Bourjois before. Don't think I ever have. So it'd be interesting to see what it's like. So this month we've included a couple of beauty treats to get you ready for the party season. This amazing Bourjois eyeliner is easy to use and highly pigmented. Perfect to create the perfect winged eyeliner, keeping you looking fierce and ready to party. So our next item is it's a nail varnish. Oh, that looks nice. What is this? It's L'Oreal Paris in shade Femme Fatale. So that looks like there. So nice red. Let's open it up. Oh, that's lovely. Not as thick. I was expecting it to be a little bit thicker, so you might need a few layers of that. But no, really nice colour. Really nice. definitely a party season colour anyway, isn't it? So what's it say here? Our second beauty treat is a rich, bright, bold, season appropriate nail colour. Long lasting, glossy, high shine, liquid gel technology to reduce the need for a top coat. Oh right, okay, oh that'd be really interesting to see. I might try that out tonight then, and then I'll post a picture on Instagram to show you. My nails are sort of growing. They're not much. They all snap off, see, and then they take a while to grow back. And the last item is a tea bag. So this is a Pucker Original Chai, a royal flush of organic cinnamon, cardamom and ginger. This whole box is like a box of Christmas, isn't it? All the beauty treats and stuff is all like ginger and cinnamon and stuff. So no, let's see what the information says here. A warming blend of organic cinnamon, cardamom and ginger, perfect for this time of year and goes perfect with the gingerbread. So that is our last item. So I'll just gather them all up together. So these are all the treats section of the box. And we've got 7 in all. We've got 5 beauty treats, and we've got a tea bag, and we've got some gingerbread men biscuits as well. So the beauty treats, we've got a facial cleanser, we've got a bath bomb, we've got a night cream, and we've got an eyeliner, and we've got a nail varnish there. My personal thoughts is that it's definitely a Christmassy feel to it. Definitely a really good thought out box for Christmas. It's got to be all the ginger, isn't it? And the cinnamon and things. It's really well thought out with the red nail varnish, eyeliner and sleep cream and things. It's just, yeah, and the cleanser. It's just a well thought out box this month. This is the very first box I've had. I can't remember what are the previous boxes. I have had a look on Instagram and on YouTube before, but I can't compare then. I can't compare. So I'd love to know your thoughts. If you've ever had an Eve's parcel before, or if you've seen them regularly unboxing on YouTube or something, please let me know what your thoughts are on this month's box and how does it compare to previous boxes. So you're looking at around just under £16. So it is a couple of pounds difference to the other UK subscription box for your periods, which is Pink Parcel. Pink Parcel comes in at £12.99. So you're looking at about £3 cheaper. But what are your thoughts? I don't know. I don't know. See, Pink Parcel are going through a bit of a funny phase at the minute. So will this be taking over from Pink Parcel? I'm not too sure. I don't know. But yeah, the concept is the same. The products, the amount of products is the same. The only negative I can see is the night pads. I think with Pink Parcel we do get 5 night pads, but in Eve's Parcel we only get, was it 3? I think 5 would be better for me anyway. I know I'm probably got longer periods than most, but yeah, that's the only thing I can see about this box for this month. So no, I'm really chuffed with it and look forward to trying it and eating it all as well. So I'd love to know your thoughts. Please let me know, comment down below, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching. I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.